Can I ever become rich? Can I afford to buy my own house or a dream car in the USA? Can I send my children to a good college? When your income is low, saving money might feel like an impossible dream. But what if I told you, yes, you can. Even with a low income, you can build wealth if you follow the right strategies. Hello everyone, today we will learn 3 proven strategies to save money. I am Momin, and welcome to Money Mastery with Momin. You must take control of your money, otherwise the lack of it will control you forever. Tip 1. Create a budget. Our first strategy is creating a budget. Did you know that even the U.S. government creates a budget every year? Similarly, we need to create a monthly budget right at the start of the month. Don't think of a budget as a restriction or a chain. Instead, think of it as your money GPS. Just like a GPS tracks your location, a budget tracks where every single dollar is going. Remember, every dollar you earn is like a soldier in your army, protecting you from poverty. Don't let your soldiers die in vain. How to do it? Divide your expenses into 2 categories. Needs, like rent, groceries, insurance, utilities, things you cannot live without. And wants, like expensive vacations, luxury brands, or eating out frequently. You'd be surprised how small wants add up. For example, a $5 coffee every day costs you $150 a month, which is $1,800 a year. That is money you could have saved. Tip 2. Pay yourself first. The golden rule of saving is savings first, then expenses. As soon as you get your paycheck, before paying any bills, set aside a small amount, be it $50, $100, or $500. This is called paying yourself first. If you have a bank account, set up an automatic transfer. This way, a portion of your income goes directly to your savings account the moment you get paid. Consistency is key. Even saving just $10 a day adds up to $3,650 by the end of the year. As the legendary investor Warren Buffett says, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Tip 3. Create new income sources or a side hustle. Many people work their 9-to-5 jobs and then come home to spend the evening watching TV or scrolling through social media. We often waste 4 to 5 valuable hours every evening. In the USA, you can use this time to earn extra cash, whether it's driving for Uber, doing DoorDash, or freelancing online. I know an office worker who started selling fruits in his spare time after work. Today, he owns his own apartment. Wherever you are, find a way to monetize your time. Remember, saving provides security, but extra income accelerates your path to wealth. Friends, saving is a habit. It takes a small, positive change to create powerful results over time. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment letting us know where you're tuning in from and your favorite way to save. If this video added any value to your life, please hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, and happy saving.